Okay.
So mine is apple addition and subtraction, and it's actually for kindergarten, addition and subtraction, and it's operations in algebraic thinking, and it's understanding addition as putting together and adding to, and understanding subtraction as taking apart, and taking from. So that's the context standard. And for my first activity, which would be this one right here, is Apple Jacks addition and subtraction. Kind of velcroed everything here. But, so what it is, it's a little activity, and each student would get one of these as they come to the Learning Center, and they will use addition, or the Apple Jacks, to place in these squares for their equations. And where they're going to get the number from is the number that they're going to use to make out and fill out the bottom is from this envelope right here. So they'll just kind of pull it off or leave it on, pick out of the envelope, pick an apple out, oops. And since this is a 6, I would find 5 ways to make addition equations with the number 6 in it by using the Apple Jacks. So there's the green ones and the orange ones. They would fill it in on here, and by using the Apple Jacks, and then filling it in down below. So they'll do the addition and subtraction. Right. But so that's the first one, and then the second one, which is my favorite, is the flip, check, or pick, flip, and check addition and subtraction cards. So what they'll do is they'll get one card, and they'll look at the equations that are on here, and they'll get a clothespin and clip it on the ones that would equal to what the card is asking for. This one is asking for what equals 10 by using addition. So the students will go through the card, and 6 plus 4 is 10. And so they'll go throughout the whole thing and fill it all up, and then turn it over to check their answers. So the paper or the clothespin will be on the correct answer on the flip side. Also, I have instructions on these apples that are right here for the students to look at. And my last activity is actually a game board. So the students will take off the game board, set it on the table, and there's directions on this apple and also on the game board. So what they're going to do is they're going to choose a card out of the envelope. There's an equation on the card, and they're going to select the correct answer. And to check their answers, they're going to use this little answer key. And if their answer is correct, on the card it says, or actually they roll the dice, because if they got the answer correct, they'll roll the dice. If they get 4, then they will move that many spaces on the game board. That makes sense. And this is their game piece. It's a little apple. So they'll kind of just, everything's attached so that way nothing gets lost. And then when they're done, then we just put that. And I only had 3 activities. I thought it was 3.